Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new service that I added inside my freemediatools.com website. The service will be able to convert the Word documents into PDF document. So this is a service I'm added, DOCX document to PDF. If you go to the service, the link is there inside the video description. So here you just need to upload your Word document file. So if you choose file here, you will see I have examples here. So I can just let me just download a sample doc file from the internet. So you will see a simple example. So this is a sample.doc file. So Word document file. You can see this is a file here, and I simply need to upload this file in order to convert to PDF. So sample.doc, so it is opened inside Microsoft Word. So these files are very much important, and if I click download PDF, it will process this file and it will download this file as a PDF document. You can see that if I open this PDF document, you will see it has successfully converted this Word document into a PDF document using this service. So this is a very spectacular service. You can go to the website. Here you can upload any sort of Word document file, and then it will convert this into a PDF document. So the link is there inside the video description. So I have used a Node module to build this service. So I will guide you step by step on how to build this service. So there is a module inside this which is I think all the source code regarding this video is also given inside the video description. So you can check the source code by going to the video description. So for building this application, I am using a Node module. So go to npmjs.com and search for this library, which is LibreOffice-convert. So basically, if you search it, the very first link which comes in, this is a module that I am using it in order to convert the Word document to PDF. So you can see it has got almost 2500 weekly downloads. The command is pretty simple. This is a module npm I LibreOffice slash dash convert. So before installing this, you need to install a official library of it. It is available on both Mac, Linux and Windows. So since it is a Windows system, you need to install this software which is LibreOffice. So if you search on Google LibreOffice, so this is a software here. You can see that I have already installed it. For Windows it is about 350 MB. So install this first of all, go to its official website and install this software onto your computer. Click the download now button and then you can use this library. So basically this is the official library of this website. So it's a free and open source software for converting Word files from one format to another. So first of all, install this, and now you can make your Node.js application by going to the folder. So this is my folder here, and I will make this service. So right here inside Visual Studio Code text editor, we will make locally this service. So inside my template file, I'm using EJS. EJS stands for embed JavaScript templates. So here inside the services section, I can make a new service. So this is just some HTML. All the source code is there inside the video description, so you can just go to it. So this will be PDF to doc demo. So this will go to PDF docs demo. Now we simply need to create this file, PDF to docs demo.ejs. And for this we will have this, for having this we will use some bootstrap. the title will change to DOX Word document to PDF converter. So we are using some Bootstrap. So here we will have the container class for Bootstrap, and here we will have the h1 heading. So in the center position, so this will say docx to PDF converter. And after that we will have a simple form. The action will go to docx.pdf demo, and this time the method will be post. And also we need to write this encoding type. This will change to multipart form data since we are uploading a file. So right here we will upload a allow the user to input a file. For that we will have the input tag of file, and we will attach the form control class of Bootstrap, and I will give this name attribute as file, and for the validation it should be required. And after that we will have a simple button to upload button danger button block. So this will simply say convert to DOC. That's it. So now the template is complete. So now we can load this template whenever we launch the Node.js application. So inside our index.js, so you will see here we can simply say app.get. So when we open the route, which is docx to PDF demo, we need to load this template. So we can use the render method, response.render, and then we can say docx to PDF demo. And also we need to pass the title, so as a property. So the title will be simply the title will be, let's suppose, docx to PDF converter free media tools. So this is a simple get request. Now if I launch the application, npm run dev start, so you will see it will start this application on the port 5000. So it has started the application. If I open locally, localhost 5000, so you will see, if I see the service, this is my PDF to docs demo. If I click, it is saying to us cannot get PDF to docs demo. I think I have let me just see, guys, just wait. Docx, PDF to docx demo. So the name is PDF to docx demo dot ejs. So if I go to it, so why it is not loading this file docx to PDF demo? It should load it. So if I once again try it, if I go PDF to docx demo, so inside the get request docx to PDF demo. So let me just see the error, guys. Sorry guys, the name was different here. So this needs the file name is different. You can see this needs to be renamed to docs.pdf demo.ejs. And also inside my services section here, this needs to be docx.pdf demo. And now if I refresh, if I go to the service here, if I click now, you will see my template will come here. So there will be a choose file button, and where you can select your Word document file which needs to be converted to PDF, and there is a simple button. So and now we need to, so you will see this button is not appearing in red color. So this is because I have just written a wrong syntax of the button. So if I go to the file here, so it has to be having some space, so that is why. If I refresh here, you will see the button color has changed to red. So now we simply need to write this post request app.post / docs to PDF demo. And now the first thing we need to do, we need to upload the file which the user uploads. So for that, we are using a special library of Node.js which is Malter library. So for Malter, we need to specify the extension. So we can just use this code here. So let me just copy this and paste it here. Let me just change this to DOCX to PDF demo, and we will only allow the user to upload a DOC file, DOCX file, or and a second scenario is that the Word file has also a separate extension which is called as DOC. So in either of the situation, we are only requiring user to upload these extensions file. If if you upload any sort of other file, the user will see this error. This extension is not supported. And now we will simply call this we will call the Malter library passing the storage and this filter. So this is docx to PDF demo, and now we will pass this middleware Malter, sorry, this docx to PDF demo upload, and we will upload only a single file. So there is a single method, and then we need to pass the name attribute which we have given inside index.html. And now to check if the file is uploaded, we will check inside the if condition. If the file is uploaded, we will see the path inside request.file.path. So if I just reload the application, and if I select any sort of let's suppose PDF file, so you will see this error, this extension is not supported. You only need to upload Word document file. So in this case, let me select this doc file. If I convert, you will see this has printed out the path of the file. So the file is successfully uploaded to the server. Now we simply need to convert this file to PDF document. So for that, we will include the library which we have installed like this at the very top of the application. Just write this line, we are requiring this library. So after this, we have required this, we need this library contains a very simple function. So if you go to the documentation, they have given a complete example. So first of all, you will read the content of the file like this, const file, and we are using file system module to read the content of the file, and here we will pass the path like this request.file.path. After we have the content, we will call this libre library, and inside this there is a convert method, and this takes three arguments. First is the actual file that needs to be converted, so we will pass the file, and secondly it takes the extension which needs to be converted to, so we need to convert this to PDF, so we will write here .pdf, and the third argument it takes is undefined, you need to pass like this undefined, and the fourth argument is the callback function. So when it is done processing, then it will call this function. So here we can just check if any sort of error take place in conversion. We can, first of all, we need to delete the file which the user has uploaded, like this request.file.path. We also need to remove the output file, which we will make here. We will, so the output file will be stored here, output file path. I have declared this variable at the top, so just make sure. So we will make this dynamic, so we will use date.now and then we will concatenate output.pdf. So we will remove this file also, and then we can say some error has taken place in conversion process. That's it. So if no error take place, then also we need to delete this. But after no error has taken place, we need to download this file as attachment. For downloading it, we have a response.download method. We need to download the output file path. But first of all, we need to make this file. So we will write this file onto our local file system like this. There is a write file method here. Paste this method. So after it make this file here, let me just replace this by output file path. So after it save this file onto our local disk, now we can download this file like this, output file path, and this also has a callback. So here we can check if any sort of error take place. So then we can remove all these files, and this time we can replace the error like this, some error taken place in downloading the file. If no error take place, then also we need to delete this. If the process is successful, we need not have to store the files on the server. So now the application is complete. So if I test this application, if I choose the Word document, if I convert to PDF, you will see it will, let me just see what is the error. It is saying glob dependency not found. Let me just see what is so just wait guys, I'm just guys, I figured out the error because on Windows machine I have installed this software called as LibreOffice. So if you install on Windows machine, you will also face this problem. Your program will not run. I have faced this problem all day long, but when I uploaded this file to my live website, on live website I am running this Ubuntu server. So you know that Ubuntu is a Ubuntu is a Linux program. So on Linux it perfectly works. So that is why on my website, on my live website freemediatools.com, this software is perfectly working fine. So if you go to it, you will see this service is perfectly working fine. You will not face any kind of problem. But if you are building on Windows, you will face this problem. If you run this, this error will take place, that glob dependency not found. But if you upload this code to your live website which runs on any kind of VPS, virtual private server, such as Ubuntu, Linux, so on that server this will perfectly work fine. I have tested this and deployed it on my live website. You can see that if I upload a document, Word document, if I click download PDF file, so it perfectly works fine. You will see the PDF file has downloaded. So The link is there inside the video description. You can check the live demo of the website. I have guided you step by step process on how I had developed this tool. So if you are on Windows machine, this tool will not work. But if you want to deploy this tool on your live website, if you use any sort of VPS, if you use Ubuntu server, then it will perfectly work. So on Ubuntu, if you want to download this library, which is LibreOffice, there is a simple command. I have also done that. If you just Google it, LibreOffice download on Ubuntu. So if you make the Google search, so basically they will give you this command here. So just wait. There is a simple command which is there. You will see step-by-step tutorials on there. But I executed a very simple command on Ubuntu, which was sudo apt install and then followed by the LibreOffice. That's it. So this was the command that I executed: sudo apt install LibreOffice. So this installed my software program, and then I able to execute this application. So thanks very much guys for watching this video. All the source code of the video is given inside the video description. You can check that. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.